Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata showroom performance. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands proudly in a luxurious showroom, a vision of sleek sophistication and pure driving passion. Its sculpted body reflects the soft glow of ambient lighting, showcasing every precise contour and aerodynamic curve. This is not just a car, it's a masterpiece, a symbol of Mazda's unwavering commitment to driving purity. With its compact, lightweight design and aggressive stance, the Miata remains true to its legendary roadster heritage. The low-profile hood flows seamlessly into the fenders, creating an athletic yet elegant presence. The front fascia is striking, featuring a bold redesigned grille that commands attention. Sharp LED headlights, now sleeker and more refined, pierce through the darkness, illuminating the road ahead with confidence. From the side, the Miata's silhouette is unmistakable. The carefully sculpted lines enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a classic roadster appeal. Lightweight alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, add to the car's dynamic personality. The short overhangs and low stance hint at its agility, promising an exhilarating driving experience. The power-operated soft-top roof folds effortlessly, transforming the Miata from a sleek coupe into an open-air thrill machine. Inside the showroom, the atmosphere is one of exclusivity. The polished marble floors mirror the Miata's reflection, while modern architectural elements enhance the sense of luxury. Spotlights highlight every inch of the car's design, drawing admiration from enthusiasts and potential owners alike. An illuminated display wall showcases the name, 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, standing as a testament to its legendary status. Stepping inside the cabin, you are welcomed into a world of driver-focused precision. Every element is designed with purpose, ensuring an intuitive and engaging experience. Premium leather-wrapped seats, adorned with contrast stitching, provide both support and comfort. The minimalist dashboard is a blend of classic design and modern technology, offering a seamless connection between driver and machine. A high-resolution digital instrument cluster displays real-time driving data with crisp clarity. At the center, a state-of-the-art infotainment system offers touchscreen controls, smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium Bose audio system that immerses the cabin in crystal-clear sound. Every control is placed within easy reach, ensuring the driver remains fully engaged with the road ahead. Beneath the hood, the 2025 MX-5 Miata continues to embrace Mazda's Skyactiv philosophy. The advanced Skyactiv G engine, a naturally aspirated masterpiece, delivers the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and responsiveness. With each press of the accelerator, the Miata roars to life, offering an immediate and exhilarating throttle response. For those who seek the ultimate connection to the road, the 6-speed manual transmission provides a direct, mechanical feel, allowing for seamless shifts and total control. The automatic transmission option delivers smooth, intelligent gear changes, adapting effortlessly to different driving styles. No matter the choice, every drive feels precise, engaging, and utterly thrilling. The Miata's near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution ensures unparalleled balance and agility. The lightweight chassis, crafted from high-strength materials, enhances handling while maintaining structural rigidity. The sport-tuned suspension absorbs road imperfections while keeping the car planted through every corner. The limited slip differential enhances traction, ensuring power is delivered precisely where it's needed. On the road, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is an extension of the driver's instincts. The electric power-assisted steering provides precise feedback, making every turn feel effortless yet engaging. Whether navigating tight city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the Miata responds with sharpness and agility, delivering an unrivaled sense of control. Mazda has also integrated advanced safety and driver assistance technology without compromising the car's raw driving experience. The iActiveSense safety suite includes blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, offering peace of mind on every journey. Back in the showroom, the Miata stands as a symbol of heritage and evolution. Since its debut, the MX-5 has redefined what a lightweight sports car should be: pure, simple, and endlessly enjoyable. The 2025 model continues this tradition while embracing modern advancements in performance, design, and technology. The Miata is more than just a car, it's an emotion. It's the feeling of freedom as you lower the roof and let the wind rush past. It's the adrenaline of taking a perfect corner, feeling every movement through the steering wheel. It's the thrill of a lightweight chassis responding instantly to your every input. Inside this luxurious showroom, the atmosphere is filled with admiration. Enthusiasts gather around, drawn to the Miata's magnetic presence. Conversations spark about its legendary status, its unmatched driving dynamics, and the memories waiting to be created behind the wheel. The Miata experience is about more than numbers, it's about the way it makes you feel. It's about being connected to the road in a way that few other cars can offer. It's about rediscovering the simple joy of driving, of engaging with the machine, and of appreciating the open road. Mazda's Jinba Itai philosophy, horse and rider as one, is at the heart of the Miata's DNA. Every component, from the chassis to the suspension, is engineered to create a seamless connection between driver and machine. This is what makes the Miata special. This is why it continues to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts around the world. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is not just a car, it's an experience. It's an invitation to escape the ordinary, to embrace the thrill of driving, and to create unforgettable moments on the road. It's a car that encourages you to seek adventure, to enjoy the journey, and to feel every mile with passion and excitement. As it stands in the showroom, under the warm glow of carefully placed lighting, the Miata waits for its next driver. Someone who understands that driving is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about the feeling, the connection, and the sheer exhilaration of being behind the wheel. The illuminated display name on the wall serves as a reminder, this is an icon. A masterpiece of design, performance, and heritage. A car that continues to define the lightweight sports car segment and inspire generations of drivers. For those who step into this showroom, the Miata represents an opportunity to experience the purest form of driving. A car that refuses to follow trends, that stays true to its roots, and that continues to deliver smiles, excitement, and unforgettable journeys. This is the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a legend reborn, a roadster refined, and a driving experience unlike any other. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.